I know I promised you no more recordings, but I hope your day's good. I woke up this morning and was reading in Psalms, reading now through the Psalms, and I read something in the 4th Psalm that I just thought is so appropriate for me today and maybe for you too. We live in a day when everybody's trying to stay safe, and we're concerned about being safe. The COVID situation, 2 years of this, and I can remember saying, stay home and stay safe, or do this and be safe. And we should do what we can to stay well, healthy, to protect ourselves. We should do that, but do this and you'll be safe. And I think about my loved ones, my friends are in Ukraine, and these past 7-8 years, almost 8 years maybe, of constant threat from Russia about further invasion and encroachment into Ukrainian lands, and our concern and our fears that come for our family and friends that are in Ukraine, for their safety and for their freedom. Something I read in Psalms today, in 4th Psalm, you look at that last verse. It's only 8 verses. It talks about how I can lie down and sleep in peace, for only He can help me to live in safety. We do what we can, but there is only one that can really keep you safe. Doesn't matter where you live, doesn't matter what you try to do to protect yourself. Only one person. Not the vaccine. I got the vaccine, people. I don't care if I got it. I wanted the freedom to go to Ukraine and do these things that I felt God wanted me to do. So hopefully those things help. Do what you can to be safe. Don't go walking out at night in the dark in dark clothes and walk in front of traffic. It's not safe. Don't jump off of a cliff. It's not safe. But there is only one person that will cause you to lie down at night and sleep with peace and live in safety. Your relationship with God. Jesus Christ loves you so much. He is the one that's going to help you today to live in safety. You read it, Psalms chapter 4. Have a great day.